Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to make my Irish porter cake recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification bell. Thank you. For this you're going to need plain flour, mixed fruit, soft brown sugar, Demerara sugar, orange, bicarbonate of soda, butter, mixed spice, eggs and of course some Guinness. This is basically a boiled cake, so you need a large pan and you firstly put in the mixed fruit, the soft brown sugar, the butter and the Guinness. Just going to zest the orange. There we go. Now I've zested the orange, I'm just going to juice it and add that to the pan. This has been boiling for 15 minutes now, so the fruit is all plumped up. I'm just going to leave it to stand for 10 minutes before I start adding the rest of the ingredients. They're all plump and juicy. While I'm waiting for this to cool, I'm just going to beat my eggs. Oops! I always do that. Oh, this one's tough. It doesn't want to come apart. There we go. And the dog's barking. This has now been cooling for 10 minutes. I'm going to pour it into this glass bowl just so that you can see what happens when I add the bicarbonate of soda. You don't need to do this because this is just for the camera. Oops. There we go. I wish we had smell-o-vision because it smells really lovely. All I'm going to do now is add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and this is where the magic happens. Isn't that fantastic? Science! It's just lovely. The next thing I'm going to do is add the eggs. And lastly, the flour. And some mixed spice. I'm lucky it just fits in the bowl. I'm just going to swap to a metal spoon to make it easier to fold it all in. I'm going to pour this into my prepared tin. This is a heart-shaped tin because I thought it was pretty, but you usually use a 20cm cake tin. And all that's left to do is to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of Demerara sugar on top. You could, if you wanted, just sprinkle some flaked almonds on top as well, but I can't eat those, so I'm not going to. Now all that's left now is to stick this in the oven for 1¼ hours to ½ an hour at 150, and then take it out the oven, leave it to cool, and it'll be ready to eat. Well, that's it, my Irish porter cake recipe. I'm now going to enjoy a slice of this with the leftover Guinness from the recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, I do like cake.
Can you die quietly, please?
Dear me. I died professionally. Sorry, you told me to smile. Lights on, action.